Welcome to Grey Gables. This is definitely going to redefine living here in Brighton. We've got the white crisp fence, you've got the gable roofline, but you've got timeless charm. And the best thing about this, it's about effortless living. Go check it out for yourself.
But you don't have to have it all figured out. No, you don't have to have it all figured out. When the noise in your head gets too loud, you don't have to have it all figured out. Carrying your worries through the world. Blinded.
Grey Gables isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. Elevated, practical and designed for the moments that matter. Coffee in the morning on the deck, drinks with friends in the evening under the Brighton skies. Grey Gables is ready for its next chapter. We look forward to seeing you at the open home.
This time with questions leading